Alright, so here's an intersection that has new left turn signals as well on the same street. This is at Cherry and, what street is this? Mill, I think? But yeah, they also have new left turn signals. Well, not new, but these are left turn signals. And they have 3, which is cool, because in Toronto, normally you don't have, 3. Like, you normally have 2 like that, except not that far apart. It's nice to see bicycle signals with straight arrows, which is odd. You don't normally see that. Transit signals and bicycle signal with straight arrow. Streetcar. It's nice to see. Alright. No one turning, so the arrow's probably not gonna... Oh, no, it did turn on. There's no cars! Ah, whatever. It's cool to see on. But yeah, I think it's really cool. Interesting the way they laid it out. Sorry, the sun's kind of bright in the background, so it's a little hard to see. But yeah. Basically, 2 signals that are used for going straight or turning right, ball, and then 2 left turn signals and bicycle signals. I want to get a video of this arrow turning on finally, because I wasn't able to before. That one is a Leotech arrow, the one in the middle of the screen. I don't know why. It's interesting. There we go. And now this direction gets the green too. And yeah, that's kind of it. Thank you for watching. Have a good one and stay safe.